Hello friends, in this video we'll see different operations on given dataset. In this example we are considering Facebook datasets. On the given Facebook datasets we are performing the operations like creating the subset of given dataset, then merging the data, sorting the given data, making transpose of the data, melting data and casting data. So we will see this with the help of Facebook dataset. So we'll see how to do these operations on these given datasets. Initially we will check the current working directory with getwd. Okay, because here I kept my FB file, Facebook file, so that is kept in the B1 folder. So first of all we need to import the data. Importing data is done with the help of read.csv file, as we done in our previous video also. So reading the CSV file, reading fb.csv file with the help of read command and storing it into variable d with the help of by executing this particular statement. Then dim is used to know the dimension of given data set. So this d means fb.csv file having 500 rows and 19 columns. If we want to check number of columns, we can use ncol function. It is 19 columns. Enrow function to know the row of the given data set. Enrow function is there, means 500 rows are there. Head prints first 6 rows of the given data set, so head of d. So it is printing only first 6 rows, and there are as we see in the previous command, there are 19 columns. These are different 19 columns, that page dot total dot like, type, category, post dot month. Likewise these different 19 columns are there. Now we'll see procedure to create the subset. Here in this example, out of this 19 column, we are using only 4 columns for simplicity only. We are using category, comment, like and share, these 4 columns. So with the help of C command we are storing the values of this particular 4 columns into sub variable. So d of C, category, comment, like and share. So head of sub prints the first 6 lines for category, comment, like and share columns. Then we'll store this contents of sub into the sub.csv file with respect to only these 4 columns. Write.csv sub comma sub.csv. If we observe the folder where I kept my files, in that this sub.csv files get created. Okay, then we'll find subset from this sub where comment is greater than 50 only with the help of subset function. So display the contents of sub2. It will show only those rows in which comments are greater than 50, right? This is the subset function. Now we'll see merging of data. We'll use same file fb.csv and store the contents of fb.csv using read function in the variable first, same way in the variable second. Then we'll check the dimension of first. It is same as we previously checked, that is 500 by 19. Dimension of second is again 500 by 90. Now we merging the data, we are using rbind function. Rbind first comma second and storing the result into new data. That is rbind is used to merge the data. So rbind function. Now we'll check dimension of new data. Dimension of new data is nothing but binding or merging of first and second, so it gets double than previous. That is, there are 1000 rows. Initially there was 500 rows. By merging this first and second, it becomes 1000. So 1000 by 19. And if we print the contents of new data, it will show us first 52 and remaining 948, means total there are 1000, remaining 948 is omitted as per here. Now we'll see sorting of data. We are using same file. We are using we are considering only category comment, like and share with the C function and storing it into sub, and we are using order order function to arrange the sort the given data on the share column. So, and which is stored in variable x. If we print the contents of variable x on share, we have apply the order, means it is minus d is for descending order. Then we'll see transpose of data set. Same way we will read the CSV file, same category, comment, like and share, these sub are stored in the variable sub, and tran is used to store the transposed value, and transposing the data, transpose of data set is done with the help of t function, t on sub. Okay, and head of trans means it shows column. Initially column was category, comment, like and share, it becomes the rows, and remaining two like and shares get share get omitted here. Then if we print whole trans, it will show us all the data. Then melting, for the melting initial two steps are same like this. Then here we need a reshape package, so we need to install reshape with the help of install.packages reshape. Make sure here it is already installed. Make sure that you need internet connections in order to perform the installing this particular file. So library reshape is now available on my system. Then header and melt. To execute melt we need the reshape package, and melt we are performing on category and comment value. We are checking here the comment and category, so that it tells us that category 2 having comment value 4, category 2 having comment 5, likewise. And then we are performing the casting. Initial steps are same. Category, here we are using category post.month, post.hour and paid. Then head of this, on this we are doing casting, and casting means here we are considering sub. Value of sub means all these category post.hour and paid with respect to post month, post.month, mean, and value, that is paid, their mean value. So after executing, it is showing different category levels available in our data set. First thing, it shows the post.month, the mean, and then paid values with respect to everything. So this is all about these functions. So thank you for watching this video.